So this is how to remove the quarter panels, the interior quarter panels on an is350 or is250 Lexus. I couldn't find anything on the internet for this procedure, so if you find this video helpful, hit a like or put a comment or anything so that other people can find it. I get help by the internet all the time, but this time I couldn't find no videos on how to take off the rear quarter panels in order to replace the speakers, or to replace if the windows, if you ever get a window broken or the regulator goes bad or whatever. That's how you take it off. So there's the seats on the bottom. These just pop out like any other Camry or Corolla or any Lexus. They just pop out, the bottom ones. And then this backrest is bolted down by 6 screws, 2 on the bottom on each side, so that's 4 on the bottom. They're here and here off the backrest, and then the backrest has 2 more on the top, which are held right here. And to gain access to those bolts, you remove the plastic covering. First you open the top like this, halfway. Then you remove the plastic covering from here, and then there's your 12 right here holding the seats. Once you remove that 12 and you pull up the seat, the backrest just comes out. You gotta pull on the backrest up, and then it goes forward. And then you have these stands right here in order to remove the quarter panel plastic. This one here, you gotta remove this one. And then you got 2 more here, one here and another one here. There it is. And then on the bottom, there's just clips. It's just clips. And then on here, you gotta be careful because there's an Allen wrench that you need to get to that bolt right there. I already took it off, but this is the location of the bolt. It's right there, next to the tweeter. And then you have one last bolt that you access by removing the seatbelt protector right here. Take that off, it just pops out. And then you got one last 10 in there holding the quarter panel. Okay, also if you want more room, because I'm just realizing that you're not gonna have enough clearance if you want to take off the quarter panels to replace, in this case I'm replacing my broken windows. You'll have to take off the center, the middle center, the rear center, and it's just attached by 4 bolts, and you're gonna have to take off the seat belts. It's nothing complicated. You just remove the 4 bolts around this. If there's any more bolts, I haven't got to them yet, but you got to remove the center console, and because it's attached with this cable here to the headrests. So you'll have to remove the center console if you want more room, so these quarter panels can just pull up. What I did is I put the top all the way down so I can have plenty of room.